SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to forget a Bluetooth device on iPhone 11. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. When you connect a Bluetooth device to your iPhone, the phone is going to remember that connection to make it easier in the future. But if you still have the device and no longer wish to connect it to your iPhone, then you may want to forget that connection so that you don't accidentally start using that Bluetooth device when you don't mean to. To forget a Bluetooth device on your iPhone, simply open the Settings app. You can then select the Bluetooth option near the top of the screen, and then you just need to find the Bluetooth device that you want to forget. Once you've found that device, simply tap the blue I button to the right of it, which is going to bring up a screen that looks like this, and then you can choose the Forget This Device option. Now you can tap Forget Device at the bottom of the screen again to confirm, and then that Bluetooth device is going to be forgotten. If you do happen to turn that Bluetooth device on again in the future and it's nearby, then you're going to see it listed under other devices, but it's no longer going to connect to your iPhone unless you choose to pair it from there.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.